गोवन वार्ता आणि द गोवन एव्हरीडे वतीन आयतारा 18 फेब्रुवाराक सकाळी फॅमथॉन 2018 मॅरेथॉन दवरल्या। 1 किलोमीटर, 3 किलोमीटर आणि 5 किलोमीटर अश्यो 3 सर्ती जातल्यो। सर्तक फॅमिलीनी घेवप्यांनी फातोडेर 6 वरांचेर कांपाल ग्राउंडार येवपाचे। फॅमिली खातीर अशा तरेची सर्त राज्यांत पहिल्याच फावट जाता। प्रत्येक सर्तींतल्या जैतिवंतांक मेडल, प्रमाणपत्र, बॅग ऑफ गुडीज आणि स्पेशल कुपन्स दितले। 19 तारखेक फार्मागुडी फोंड्या शिवजयंतीची सरकारी कार्यावळ जातली। ह्याच दिसा विधानसभा अधिवेशनय सुरू जाता। ताका लागून हो सुवाळो मातसो बेगीन सुरू जातलो। गोंयभर वेगवेगळ्या शारांनी शिवजयंतीचो उत्सव 19 तारखेर जातलो।
ensuing Shiv Jayanti program to be celebrated at Farmagudi at state level. The honorable dignitaries, including Chief Minister and other ministers, shall arrive by 8:20 to 8:25 at Farmagudi. When the arrival of the dignitaries and garlanding is going on, same time there will be a Marathi khel. मर्दानी खेळ by लोकमान्य ग्रुप फ्रॉम कोल्हापूर।
इतले मजगती वाळपय शिवजयंती समितीन शिवाजी महाराजांचो भव्य अश्वारूढ पुतळो हाडला। 19 तारखेक वाळपय पालिका गार्डनात ताचे अनावरण जातले।
आज आमी भव्य पुतळो वाळपय हांगासर मिरवणुकीन घेवन वयता। म्हाका दिसता गोंयांतलो सगळ्यात भव्य असो पुतळो पयलोच आसतलो। इतको मोठो पुतळो गोंयांत ना, हेचो आमकां अभिमान आसा। आणि हो करपा खातीर आमकां प्रोत्साहन आमचे विश्वजीत राणे तशेंच प्रतापसिंग राणे हांच्यानी दिल्लें आसा।
आणि 19 तारखेक आमी ताचें अनावरण करतले आणि आमचे बाबा विश्वजीत राणे अनावरणाक खास उपस्थित आसतले।
आणि ह्या पुतळ्याचे भव्य असे 19 तारखेक शिवजयंती दिसा अश्वरूढ हो पुतळो गार्डनान वाळपयच्या म्युनिसिपल गार्डनान लावपाक वयता आमी।
आणि बाबान हे पाऊल जे उखलला ते 70च्या जनतेच्या भल्याक लागून नाव जगाचेर आसा 70 म्हणून एक, आणि ते नाव अबाधित उरूंक जाय।
हिंदवी स्वराज्य संघटना गोमांचल संस्थेन 19 तारखेक फार्मागुडी ते तिस्क फोंडा मेरेन व्हडली रॅली दवरल्या।
ह्या फावटी कमीत कमी गेल्या फावटी 8 ते 10,000 लोक आशिल्लो, पूण ह्या फावटी कमीत कमी 15 ते 20,000 पर्यंत लोक मेळटलो येतलो असो म्हाका दिसता। आमी 15,000ची तयारी फूल दवरलेली आसा, तरी सुद्दां 20,000 हो क्रावड पावतलो। आतां फक्त 2 दीस उरल्या रॅली खातीर। ह्या रॅलीचे मुख्य आकर्षण आसतले ते शिवाजी महाराजांची 15 फुटाची भव्य अशी मूर्ती केल्ली आसा। अख्खे गोंयभरांत अशी येदी व्हडली मूर्ती कोणा कडेन ना। मुद्दम जावन तुमी ह्या शिवमुर्तेक पळोवपा खातीर तुमी हांगा फोंड्या आमच्या हिंदवी स्वराज संघटनेच्या रॅलीक तुमी जॉयन जायात।
प्रुडंटा खातीर विवेक प्रभू आणि महादेव जोशी।
आता पळोवया गोंयच्या हेर सरभोंवतणच्यो कांय खबरो।
म्हापशेच्या डीएमसी कॉलेजीत 5व्या टेक्नोट्रॉनिक्स इव्हेंटाचे उक्तावण जाले।
Technotronics is an annual IT event organized by our college for the 5th consecutive years. It is a national level IT event wherein we provide a platform to the students to test their knowledge in the field. We have different types of items wherein students, whatever they have learned in the classroom, the knowledge, the skills and the experience, they can utilize it and take part into this event and see where they stand. It is sort of a laboratory where they can test their knowledge.
Now these advancements in technology haven't just happened because people, let it happen or took it lightly. This advancements have happened because people dared to achieve the impossible, to think differently.
आर्च डायोसेशन बोर्डान संस्थेचो शिक्षणीक दीस मनयलो।
Indeed, it is the love of Christ her spouse that urges the church on to educate and to transform. She exists in this world for that. Both in India and abroad, the Catholic Church can be proud of making a major contribution to the development of this world through her institutions, covering all the sectors of education, right from preschool nurseries to world-renowned universities and technical as well as professional institutes.
At different levels of education, we've got to tackle the whole question of values in fundamentally different ways. So, the way in which you could transmit values to little children is going to be vastly different from the ways you need to inculcate values at the tertiary level of education, when we're training people to become professionals. But we need to do that. I think it's really, really urgently important that for us to do that.
मडगांव ऑयल अँड गॅस कन्झर्वेशनाची कार्यावळ झाली.
Today the valedictory function of the Oil and Gas Conservation Month has taken place in Madgaon. The focus of this whole program has been to involve the consumers, and our effort has been to link this program, which is predominantly a program of petroleum companies, to the consumers. So one good development that has taken place this time is we were able to integrate the Department of Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs right from the inaugural by getting the Honorable Minister to open the program, and also to link the civil supply inspectors of all talukas.
As a part of this initiative, this period between 16th of January to 15th of February is observed as Oil and Gas Conservation Month, in which we take various initiatives to engage with the people, to engage with the masses. For example, we had various technical seminars on fuel conservation at industries with different transport segments and other places where there is heavy usage of petroleum products.
Bureau report Prudent.
हे बुलेटिन हात सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सएप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आणि प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करत रावात. नमस्कार.